Guys, welcome back to inthewild.com.au. Today we're visiting the Serengeti of Tasmania. We've come to Narawntapu National Park and we're on our way out across the Springlawn nature walk to the bird hide. It's an easy 10-15 minute relatively flat walk. Lots of wildlife in this area, so we're pretty excited to sort of see what we're going to see. Was again a pretty harsh night here last night, and so a lot of the wallabies are just out in the sun sunbasking. While marsupials are associated with being nocturnal, you do get a lot of this activity where they're just sunning themselves where they feel protected. This is a young Bennett's wallaby. I'd be guessing mum isn't that far away. So these days it's referred to as Narawntapu or Narawntapu National Park. It's about half an hour, 45 minutes east of Devonport. It's reclaimed farmland, or historically it was called Asbestos Range, and there's a whole lot of sort of surface mines that are present on the drive-in. It's one of the best places in Tasmania to see wildlife. It really is an amazing sort of location. It's never particularly busy, always worth a look. This section is the Springlawn Nature Walk. It's part of a historic farm that's been reclaimed. It's sort of dry coastal heathland and dry sclerophyll forest, perfect for most of the species that are present in Tasmania. Really sort of wet channel, just surrounded by melaleuca, paperbark. Just almost has a bayou sort of feel. Unfortunately, no alligators. Just a beautiful grey shrike thrush over here, just picking through the bark of a fallen acacia, just looking for grubs underneath the bark. They're certainly not delicate, you can hear them a mile off. Gorgeous bird. Just up here, guys, we've got three scrubwren, which are an endemic species. They're only found in Tasmania. They are very, very similar to the white-browed scrubwren that you find in Victoria, but they are genetically distinct, and it's one of 12 species that's only found in Tasmania. They're usually sticking to some fairly dark forests on the floor, but these guys are relatively confident, so we'll see if we can get some photos. It was really cool. Those scrubwrens were actually quite confident. They're only out for about 20-30 seconds, and the photos I got are certainly not going to win any competitions, but yeah, it was cool to see them, and it was cool to be able to get some photos. Always great when you're seeing something that's only found in the location that you're at. This is the side track down to the lagoon and the hide that's present next to the lagoon. It's a great spot. Never quite know what you're going to see here, but it's a good spot for at least hoary-headed grebes and a whole bunch of other sort of Tasmanian waterbird, shorebird species. here, guys, there's a rufous-bellied or Tasmanian pademelon. It's just rimmed by some cool lights, so I'll just try and take some photos. Tasmanian pademelon is a species that's now only found in Tasmania, but historically was found right throughout southeastern Australia, and it's gone to extinction because of the presence of fox in other states. Tasmania is very lucky not to have had a fox population, so this species is quite common here, but still very cool. And this one is very happy in the sun here. I'll try and get some photos. Nervous little animals. They're a small wallaby-like animal. The females are about 3.5 kilograms max. The males can occasionally go up to about 12 kilograms, so a huge amount of sexual dimorphism. But pademelons are tending to be prey for all of the predatory animals we've got in Tasmania. So they are the krill of the bush, if you like, and it makes them quite skiddy and nervous at times. But we've got a couple of frames. They're rimmed by some nice light, so we'll see how they turn out. So guys, that was great. Got to see some musk ducks and some black swans. Way over in the distance there's some eastern grey kangaroos drinking, but it was way outside the realm of the 600 lens that I had. But I was stoked to see the musk ducks. They are almost prehistoric to look at, and the black swans are always cool, majestic, such a big bird. So absolutely worth the walk out. It's a fantastic way to spend an hour or two. Because yeah, I will leave you there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, share it around, support the channel. Inthewild.com.au, check out the website. Instagram.com/inthewild.com.au if you want to see some of the shots that I've taken. Yeah, but guys, I will leave you there. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you next time in the wild.